Hi everyone. I'm Sunny. I hope you are all well. I bring you the latest health and wellness tips. Today, I will discuss the top 3 surprising linked factors to losing fat. We all know drinking water is essential for our health, but did you know the best fat fight is water? We will explore the surprising link between hydration and weight loss. When you drink water, it helps to flush out toxins from your body and aids in the digestion process. This means that your body can efficiently break down and absorb the nutrients from the food you eat. When your body is adequately hydrated, your metabolism also works better, so you burn calories more efficiently. Drinking water can also help you feel full and reduce your appetite, making you less likely to overeat and consume excess calories. The best part is that drinking water is an easy and accessible way to lose fat. You don't need to spend money on expensive supplements or fad diets. Instead, drink more water throughout the day, and you'll see the benefits. It's the most straightforward, effective, and powerful way to lose fat. So, let's start to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. We will discuss how eating fiber is linked to losing fat. Losing weight can be difficult, but it doesn't have to be. One of the easiest ways to do it is by adding fiber to your diet. So, without further ado, I think we should dive right into it. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that our body cannot digest. Instead, it passes through our digestive system largely intact. Because of this, fiber is an excellent way to help us feel full and satisfied without consuming many calories. Fiber also helps to slow down the digestion process, which can help to regulate blood sugar levels. Now let's talk about how fiber can help us lose fat. Studies have shown that people who consume more fiber tend to have lower body weight and fat percentage. This is because fiber helps to reduce our appetite and increase our feelings of fullness. When we feel full, we are less likely to overeat or snack on unhealthy foods, which can lead to weight gain. Another way that fiber can help us lose fat is by reducing the calories we absorb from our food. Because fiber is indigestible, it quickly passes through our digestive system, taking some of the calories from our food. This means we absorb fewer calories from the same amount of food, which can help us lose weight over time. Plenty of high fiber foods, such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Try swapping out refined grains for entire grains, snacking on fruits and vegetables instead of junk food, and adding beans to your meals to boost fiber. Adding more fiber to your diet can be a simple and effective way to help you lose fat. Not only does fiber help to reduce your appetite and increase feelings of fullness, but it can also reduce the calories you absorb from your food. So, to lose weight, start by incorporating more fiber-rich foods into your diet today. Let's try to take 1.5 cups of vegetables and fruits for every meal, which is full of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants for optimal healthy diets. Women are recommended 25 grams of fiber per day and 30 to 38 grams for men. Let's get started today. We all know how important sleep is for our overall health and well-being. But did you know it can also play a significant role in weight loss? So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Lack of sleep can cause an imbalance in our hormones, particularly ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin is a hormone that increases appetite, while leptin is a hormone that suppresses appetite. When we don't get enough sleep, ghrelin levels rise and leptin levels decrease. This can lead to overeating and weight gain. Secondly, lack of sleep can also lead to insulin resistance. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. When we don't get enough sleep, our body's ability to use insulin properly can be affected. This can lead to high blood sugar levels and weight gain. Thirdly, sleep plays a critical role in our metabolism. During sleep, our body repairs and rebuilds tissues, which includes our muscles. Muscles are essential for burning calories, and the more power we have, the more calories we burn. Therefore, insufficient sleep can hinder our body's ability to build and maintain strength, making it harder to lose weight. Lastly, lack of sleep can also affect our decision-making abilities. When tired, we're more likely to make poor food choices and skip exercise. This can lead to weight gain and difficulty in losing weight. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, avoid caffeine, alcohol, and nicotine before bed, make sure your bedroom is dark and quiet, invest in a comfortable mattress and pillow, and avoid using electronics before bed. Having a quality sleep is crucial for weight loss. Lack of sleep can cause an imbalance in our hormones and insulin resistance, hindering our metabolism and decision-making abilities. Therefore, it's essential to prioritize getting enough sleep to help us achieve our weight loss goals. Let's try 7 to 8 hours of sleep today. It sounds simple and easy. But it's not. Let's try for 3 days. It will make you feel better. It's time to focus on yourself. I look forward to seeing you next time.